Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yesterday, we're gonna continue our requirement analysis video. Yesterday, we're gonna continue our VPD application video for Master of Aalen for Hochschule Aalen. In the previous video, we got to know that whenever we want to submit the application of Aalen University for the particular any application as a master student, you need to have a VPD. So that's the reason I am making a video on how to apply for VPD. Then in the previous video, I already showed you how to apply for the designated application video and how to upload the VPD there after getting it, then submit the application. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. This channel, we make videos about requirement analysis and get to know or teach you about what are the German universities are there, what are the courses that you can study, and what are the requirements that you need to fulfill in to get into German university. After getting to know requirement analysis, all analyzing, then we also at the end of the video we also get to know the application deadline. When is the deadline? So at the time of application deadline, we also make application videos how to apply for that particular college, step-by-step procedure also. Then if you still need one-on-one session with me, then you can always become a YouTube member. Then you usually get a one-on-one session as usual. But if you still don't want to get that, you can always contact me via email, then we can plan accordingly to you. But yeah, these are the things I just wanted to mention you guys as a intro before we get started with today's video. As I told you, today we will be doing our VPD for Master of Aalen. At the end of second part, I stopped here with the unanswered mandatory question being read, and now I have answered everything, and we just go through the normal general questions of 11/11. Then we will continue. Then here there are some information that I have to give you that in all application it will be same. So at first, educational data. First you have to fill in your secondary school living certificate, which will be your schools. So at the school 1, please fill in the highest schooling that you have done, which will be your PUC or 12th standard, which you have done for 2014 from 2016, 2 years. I studied in Marimalapaz Pre-University College, and the country is India, and the name of the certificate awarded was Pre-University College, which is PUC. Also for some other state it would be mentioned as 12th standard. So if that is the thing, then please mention 12th standard, and date of living certificate is 1st May 2016. Then if you are a person who have attended before 12th is 10th, then please mention it is from 2013 to 2014, 1 year. You did it in, or I did it in Marimalapaz High School. Country is India, and name of the certificate awarded was secondary school living certificate or 10th. And name of the or degree or the time when I got my school living certificate awarded was 2014. And university entrance qualification, have you passed? Yes. But before we fill in the university entrance qualification, people who have done your diploma, you can either fill in schooling, or you can also fill in your university. So if you are a person who want to fill it in schooling, then the school 1 will become your 10th, school 2 will become your diploma, where you have to mention name of the location of the school, country, and name of the certificate awarded is diploma, and you did it for 3 years, please mention your 3 years. Okay, then the university entrance examination for most of the guys, like for diploma, then there will be diploma CET. So you can click on yes. And for people who come as normal after finishing 10th and 12th, then you would have easily taken NEET, JEE Mains, any of the other competitive exams. CET is nothing but common entrance test only in Karnataka, that is state designated for Karnataka. So if you are from Karnataka, then for sure you would have taken CET or COMEDK, anything. So please give your university entrance examination depending upon what you have taken in order to get your engineering seat. But at the end you have got your engineering seat based on just by donation or any of the things like that, then you can also click on no, and no need to fill anything here. Then date of university entrance examination is 1st June 2016. Then studies outside Germany. Yes, we have done our bachelor degree outside Germany. That's the reason I've selected yes. And in the first university qualification, we can just see the period of study is 2016 to 7 2020 from the month 7. Then the country and the place where I did is Vittu, Karnataka, India. Location of study is also India. Then name of the subject is electrical engineering, and the degree that I got awarded was Bachelor of Engineering. And people usually get confused with the degree that they have got. So usually not everybody's degree will be like Bachelor of Engineering. So please make sure to write the degree that you have got awarded based on the information that you have got from your degree certificate. For sure it would have mentioned in your degree certificate or in any of your transcript. So please make sure you go through it and get the correct degree information and also subject area. Have you successfully completed? Yes. If you're not, you can click on no. If you're still pursuing, if you're in 7th semester or 8th semester, then you can click on no. But in the degree certificate or the upload document section, you need to give a prognosis certificate, which will be like a certificate where your professor or your HOD saying that yes, he will be studying 8th semester this sem, and he will be intended to finish his examination before joining your college in June, say example. So that's the thing, that prognosis certificate should be there. Please make sure you get the certificate like that. Then if you have finished normally, then you can click on yes and you will have your degree certificate or provisional degree certificate is also enough. Then your secondary university exam qualification you can also mention. So this section, some people can use it for who have done already one master's in India or in Germany also. So there was a comment saying that if I had done one university masters already in Germany, how I can apply? You can apply by applying like a second masters in the same college. Then you have to select as a second master. In other masters, you have to select like normal master degree, how you apply for as a beginner. Then second university, master, third qualification if you have, you can fill it. But this second, third only can be used by people who have done like already MSc in India or any of the other degrees that they have done. Student college, have you done your student college? No. Have you passed this exam? No. Are you currently attending student college? No. Because if you are a person who is coming for direct masters, most of the time you don't need to come for student college. But if you are a person who usually come for bachelor's or any of the medical side of the things, then usually you would have done your student college. Then you might answer those questions. But if you're not a person who is not studying in student college, then please select everything no. Then studies inside Germany, we have selected no. But here, if you are a person who have already did a one master degree, then click on yes and fill in here Germany. And applying for second master degree, then please mention yes, fill it. That is one way to fill this. Second way is, if you are a person who have already in Germany and done only one semester, applying for higher semester, then fill this section by selecting higher semester selection when we did the normal selection at the first. After filling all this, you can click on save. So once you clicked on save, the red color will turn into green color. And here the important information that I always tell you. So in the summer semester 2026, we also made the first application and that was costing us 75 euros. But if you remember, I used to tell from second application, it will cost 30 euros. But in winter semester, it is again 75 euros. Why? Because for winter semester, this is the first application. So each year, we'll have 2 semesters. For one semester, like say example summer semester, if you're applying for the first application, it is 75. Then from second, third, fourth, fifth, it will be 30 euros. After that, if you start again in winter, then again it starts from first application 75. It doesn't start directly with 30. So this is the thing that I used to tell you, that for this only applicable only for summer or semester specific. So please make sure you get to know this. And also, if you have filled once your unanswered mandatory question, it will be filled for complete semester. If you add for a new, say example summer semester 2027, then it will be again turn into red, where you have to fill in manually again. After filling out everything, you need to upload all documents. So here I have made so many hints for you guys, or given so many hints for you. Whenever you do the upload documents, I suggest you guys to upload all documents as a common, so that every college will have similar documents. So what are those? Module handbook, full-time experience if you have, internship if you have, APS certificate, passport, GRE if you have, German A1, A2, B1, how much ever you have finished, IELTS which is mandatory, bachelor certificate mandatory, LOR, CV, 10th and 12th, which is your higher education entrance qualification. But here the only thing I didn't mention is SOP, because statement of purpose, whenever you do the letter of motivation, please make sure SOP underscore the college name and the course name which you are applying, so that when they are forwarding, they will only forward SOP of that particular college. Otherwise, they will forward every time the same SOP if you have kept. But other documents, it's fine if they forward with the general for all colleges, because those are general document. Here the only document that will change is SOP, is the only document that change. So please make sure you change SOP for other colleges when you are applying. After this, you can click on inbox. So once you have done, check again the unanswered mandatory question and documents are already uploaded. Then you can click on payment option. You can click on credit card and pay via credit card, because usually people who are coming outside from Europe, then they have to use credit card, because online bank transfer is only available in Europe. Then you can click on credit card, proceed checkout, then fill in everything, check for whatever the things that you are filling. So I have selected for Kiel from Summer and Aalen, so that's the reason it is costing 150 euros. If you are ready to pay, then click on, then continue to payment process. Then your application will be submitted, where you after 4 weeks you will get your VPD also. Why I made this so early? Because the application of Aalen University is until March 15, and I have asked and seen people getting VPD in 4 weeks. So please make sure that you apply for VPD and get the VPD fast and finish the application in Aalen. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching until here. So see you next video where I talk about another requirement analysis. Until then, take care. Bye bye.